Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope the readings are going good. You all are following the tips what I'm giving. Do share the videos to your known friends so that they can also benefit. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon so that you will be notified as and when I bring readings. So today is also a general reading and not a pick a cards because there are two cards. I thought you might get confused. So it's just a general reading. Wheel of Fortune, beautiful card. Actually, I was making the video of Fortuna oil today. There's a free workshop which is coming where I will be teaching everything about Fortuna. So I was making this Fortuna oil today, and when I'm seeing this card, because the Fortuna, the Wheel of Fortune, somewhere is also a symbol which is somewhere associated with the goddess Fortuna. So now coming to it, Five of Wands. Maybe the day will start with. I don't see this as fights. Maybe a lot of teamwork. This will be more like a team, though the team will not stand together. But here I feel that some change will happen in that teamwork. Some change will happen in these arguments and in these ups and downs. And overall, you will be able to get a solution for what it is that you are breaking your head with. Now this can also be home, this can also be your work, this can also be your business, but I feel whatever is happening here, you will end up enjoying it and you will end up understanding that okay, it's for good, and you would overall get some beautiful solution which will be in your favor. Now today, if you have a green aventurine, please carry a green aventurine with you, and color today will be yellow, so wear a yellow colored dress. And in the morning, 108 times chant Om Gam Ganapatiya Namaha, and also if possible 101 rupees if you can donate to someone in need, or if you can put it in a temple. Now what you will do is you will hold this 101 rupee in your hand and you will say, as I bless this money and I give it to someone in need, blessings come back to me 10 times. I know I'm giving a bigger amount, but believe me, when you do it, something good will happen and prosperity will come your way for sure. Have a beautiful and a blessed day with doing all this, and I'm sure you'll be happy. So let's finish the cards with blessed be cards. Let's see what the blessed be cards are saying. A blessing on your health. So maybe this is the reason why I felt that you should give 101 rupees in a temple or to someone in need, because in turn, if there is some minor health issues or some major health issues, then this will be a blessing in disguise of good health for you all. And if there's someone at home who's not well and you feel they need the blessing, then give them this 101 and ask them to touch it and give it to you, and then donate it in their name, and let them be blessed with beautiful and amazing health. God bless you all. Thank you.